Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good, bad, good, bad, good, bad.
Okay, so today we talk about the leaderboard. You know what's a leaderboard?
Yeah, leaderboard is the leaderboard is the
Leaderboard. What's
the
leaderboard?
order of the biggest to smallest record.
Okay, so let's say, keep quiet. So let's say, you're doing the exam and you got the scores. Okay, so for example, Eric, you got 100.
Yay!
And then Ryan, how many scores you want to do? How many?
1,000. A million.
Okay, let's put it 100. Okay.
No, under the mine.
No, 100. From 0 to 100, 100 is the maximum. Okay, and then let's say mommy.
100.
No, let's put it, 60. Okay.
What? That's so bad.
Don't tell mommy. Okay. Daddy.
You should put her. I'll show her.
So Daddy got 90. Okay. And then what's your friend's name? Come on, give me your name.
Tom.
Tom. Okay.
T-O-M.
T-I-M. That's 10.
Oh.
T-O-M. Let's say 50. Okay.
Why?
Or how much?
I'll be better than all of the family.
Okay, 60. No, that's 50. Okay, let's see.
Huh?
So if we give a ranking, we sort it from the top, from the highest to the lowest. What are those? 100?
100, 90, 60,
90, 60, 50. Okay, so if we put a ranking for each score, okay, so look, if the ranking, the top is 0, so we put a 0 here. At least one should be 1, right? And then 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3. I don't know. Can you please not put it too many?
We got 1,000.
Okay. So the ranking. This is the ranking. This is the ranking. This is a special ranking that it does not take it does not consider how many people are before, right? For example, this 90.
1, 2, 3.
This 90 is actually at the third place, right? Because there are two 100s in front of 90. But we're only considering the numbers, right? So the 100 should be ranked at 0 and the 90 should be ranked at 1. Okay? So how do we do this? Everyone, any thoughts? How do we do this?
Brute forcing.
What do you mean brute
No
force?
book. No. Dictionary. Yeah. Set.
But first of all, we need to do one
Sort.
thing. No, before sorting.
Set.
What's that? Look, they are what do we need to do?
We need to.
So basically, we want to.
Okay.
So basically, we want to come up with the score and the ranking table, right? So we want to have a score, the score to the ranking table. So 100 should be mapped to 0, 90 should be mapped to 1, 60 should be mapped to 2.
We're so bad.
And 3. No, 0 means the top.
Oh.
3.
We're so
50
bad.
should be ranked to 3. Okay. So in order to do this, look at this side. Look at this side. I look at the original numbers. What's the difference? What's the difference between this and this? Do you find the difference? Yeah. 100, 190, 60, 50, and 190, 60, 50. What's the difference?
The difference
this one is down and this one is across and this
A
one has
waffle.
commas.
No. I'm not looking for the visual difference. I'm looking for the actual difference. 100, 190, 60, 50.
Oh, but this one repeats and this one only.
Yeah. So first of all, we want to do what? Remove the duplicates, yeah?
Yeah.
So how do we remove the duplicate?
Set.
Using a set. So if this is A, so with B equals
Look at me.
set A, and we want to convert it to the list, yeah? Okay, so now, look, we have this B, which has only the unique numbers. But now, we want to sort it, right? Yeah? What's the term complexity to sort the array? What's the term complexity to sort the array?
To sort array, it is OON.
Sorry?
And log n.
O and log n, come on. O and log n.
Wait, what? Oh yeah.
And what's so this number, if we sort the numbers, look Eric, if B dot sort, so that will give us what? 50, 60, 90, 100. But what we want is from the highest to the smallest. Right? We want to change, reverse the order. So how do we sort this array?
Reverse.
Okay, so B dot sort and we put it a reverse keyword, right? Reverse equals 2. And then it will give us 190, 60, 50. Okay, so now this array is 160, 90, 60, 50. And how do we get the ranking? which is also the index. We use what kind of function?
Set.
You're not saying, keep saying set. What?
Dictionary.
Enumerate.
Enumerate, okay. Where the enumerate gives you the
Dictionary.com.
index and the value, okay. And then with the index, with the mapping, with the dictionary mapping from the value to the index, which is the ranking, then we can construct the ranking array, right? And that'll be it, right? Okay, let's write the implementation, okay? So you should be able to do it, okay? Define leaderboard num. First of all, we want to construct a unique array which contains only the unique items. Okay, so let's put in the data. Data equals what? We convert the numbers. First of all, we construct the set using the numbers and we convert it to the list, right? List, set, nums, right? And then we want to sort the array from the largest to the smallest. How can we write it?
Way. Sort it.
Data
That's all.
sort and from the largest to the smallest.
Reverse.
Reverse. Put a reverse. Reverse IVRSE equals true, right? Now we want to construct a ranking table mapping, so which is a dictionary or notebook, right? So we can do this ranking. How do we construct a dictionary? Ranking equals what? I give you 3 options. Okay, you tell me. Ranking equals, first of all, this one. Second of all, this one. The third of one, this one. Which one? Pick one.
I think this one.
This one, yeah. Because this is the list. This is calling a tuple. Yeah, put a tuple. And this one is the dictionary. So, yeah. Or you can say default dictionary in, right? And now we want to use the enumerate, right? Like for ranking, dot score, dot value, in enumerate data, right? Now we want to do what? Ranking. Ranking what equals what? Can you tell me? Which one is the score?
Go to cap.
A.
There is no A. R and V. R is the index. V is the score. So ranking what? V equals what?
R.
Yeah. And then now we want to construct.
It looks like ranking R equals
Answer
R.
equals list.
R equals
And then for we want to go through the original numbers, right? Which is for R in what? Or which one is the original numbers? Come on, it's there.
Nums.
Nums. Yeah.
You pointed at it.
Yeah. And then what? Answer dot append what?
Answer pen. Answer pen.
Ranking what?
Rank.
Ranking what?
Ranking.
3. No, R.
Yeah. And then return.
Answer.
What's the time complexity?
O1. No. O1.
O log n.
Why is O1 in your head?
O log n.
O and log n, come on, because this one is
The
the
command you
dominant,
did.
yeah, the biggest one. This one is O n, right? But we have 2 parts. The algorithm have 2 parts, O n log n and O n. Right? Okay, so now what's the space complexity?
O1.
O n.
Why is O n?
Because we're using data.
Using data. Don't break my earphones, come on.
You're not earphones, it's headphones.
Yes, don't break the cable, okay? Don't break
No table.
cable. Okay, so what's the look at this part, okay? Look at this part, this ranking. We are building a ranking dictionary. And these can be simplified as one line, okay? So ranking equals what? Ranking equals, we can construct the dictionary here. R column V for R V in basically we put these lines, yeah, we put these lines, rearrange this in a single line, yeah, in enumerate data. That's it. Actually R is not okay, that's a mistake. Okay, R is the index, V is the score, so it's VR, right? VR. So this one will be V, because we want to mapping from the score to the ranking, right? So VR. So this one.
VR.
And again, this one we can construct it in one line. Okay, return answer, return ranking R for R in numbers, right? Ryan. Too noisy.
Not.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to erase this here. I'm going to erase
Oh, no.
a little bit and a little bit. Okay, can you tell me? Come on. You want to?
Oh my god.
We want to construct the ranking table. Come on.
What's the dog pen? No.
What?
Ranking.
Ranking what?
Ranking the
V equals R.
Oh, easy and this one.
After dog pen.
Enter the open what?
Rank N. No, rank
Ranking what?
V.
This is R, not V. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, that'll be today. You can do some nice dancing at the end. Come on. That's it for today. Good job. Bye bye.